It's me, Wendy with an I, and I'm back working in the yard again. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Okay, I have a lot on my plate today. I really want to get done. This is the next day after I planted the vines and we did the other flower beds. So I'm bringing you along with me. I have things I want to do today for sure and get done. It is a beautiful sunny day after all those storms. It's perfect to start working. So I want to get some more things in the ground. I want to get the hammock area done, and the rest of the beds I want back here, I want to at least get them started. So fingers crossed. If I can get further than that, that will be grand. Over here, this is where I want to put the hammock, in this area here. So I've got to get busy. I also have some more coleus that's in the Kong series. You know, I have that Kong Lime Sprite in the breezeway. I have these, look at those beautiful leaves, and they've just been setting, and I have this fern. I have got to get these guys in the ground, but I thought they would be a great little border around here where the hammock's gonna go. And there's all the mess I cleaned out from doing this bed. And these are doing great. Look at them. So happy with this bed right here. Okay, I think I like that right there. This is probably going to be the easiest thing I do today because I'm not digging for this.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season.
I have the cardboard all laid out, and it meets this bed here, and I have it curving inward, which I think is going to be really, really pretty, and just a little curve inward because I'm hoping to use those stone pavers that we have found, or stone bed border pieces we found throughout the yard, to make a little barrier here. I'm gonna go get the pavers that the hammock sits on and get the hammock in here and get those bed border stone pieces and see how it works. Okay, I love it. The best part of this is how it swings in this area, and this one swings out. It just creates an easy cast for the eye, and hopefully my new sitting area, I can get that to really flow as well. So here's what has happened. I have the hammock on its pavers, and then these are all the extra bed border stones that we have found in the yard, and it worked perfect. That's unbelievable. What a perfect day. So the next step is just putting the mulch down, period.
Every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong, baby.
Gardener Tim. Thank you, honey. That's fabulous. 2 from scratch areas completed. Oh, I love this. I love where the hammock is. Oh, that's beautiful. I put my little garden stool drum thing here because in this family we're all right-handed, so if you're in the hammock you can put your sweet tea down, your book, your phone, if you're out here just relaxing. And excuse any background noise, my husband is picking up all those metal poles. And then I brought out one of my DIY stepping stones, so you could step on this to get in the hammock. Pay no attention to that dirty hammock. I'm either going to clean that or just order a new one. And then, true to our roots, because Mr. Sweet Tea came out here and helped me a whole bunch, and he has great ideas. So there's the tire that was sitting over by the recycle bin and trash bin. If you remember, there were 2, and this one is not any good. And so he decided that, hey, you could use that as a planter, and I was like totally on board because that is so us. That is so country, true to our roots. So we ended up putting the fern in there, which is a great spot for it. And then we planted the coleus right here, and so these guys will grow up and kind of hide the tire. But I think it's kind of funny that that's back there. Let me know what you think about it. But I love how this area turned out. And he had another great idea, because we have that telephone pole back there. Yes, the actual landline telephone box, not pole. To put a little fence or some lattice or something back there to hide that scenery. That way you can just have total peace when you're out here and not see an ugly phone box. But this is so pretty. I love where it is. I love how it turned out. More work ahead. Future Wendy here interjecting, because I didn't even add it in. So a good, cheap way, an easy way to add a space or a bed to your yard is cardboard and mulch. And mulch is super cheap. I paid $2 a bag for all this mulch that I currently have. So it's super cheap. Lay the cardboard down. You don't have to remove the grass or the sod. Lay the cardboard over it to hide it from the sun, and put your mulch on top. Put pavers down if you want to set anything in there that's going to hold somebody, because you want it to be able to be firm and stable and not sink into the ground. But yes, and if you want to plant something, like we planted these coleuses in here, so we already had it done, which is fine. We just took a box cutter and cut through the cardboard that was down there, dug the hole for them, and put them in the ground. Easy peasy. And the best part about this is, if we get tired of the sitting area or this hammock area, it's already prepped for a bed. You can plant in it. So it's wonderful. Now you are going to have upkeep, because the cardboard is not going to last forever. It is environmentally friendly. It will go back into the earth, so you will probably have to deal with weeds and remedy those as soon as that goes away. But just keep your mulch super, super thick, and you shouldn't have huge upkeep problems. So there you go. There's a tip from me. That's how I do all my beds, and that's how I'm going to finish these out. Oh, and I don't know if I said or not, but Mr. Sweet Tea came out here and got that trap box. We didn't put it there. This is going on our second year here, so we don't know how long it's been there. We never baited it, but I got so anxious there might be snakes living in it, and thank goodness he got rid of it. I don't know how long this video is so far, but I want to end this video with creating the shape for the rest of the beds here. So I'm going to see if I can do that. So let's get to it.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we all
As you can see here, I just took the pointy nose shovel and I created the shapes I wanted, and I just eyeballed it. I didn't measure anything. It's much easier for me just to garden Wendy's way. So I just created a little gully here that outlines everything, and this is also helpful for the mulch. So it has somewhere to run off in. So that is the purpose behind that. And so here's my shapes. So what I've decided is I was going to put the hydrangeas over here, but now they're going to go here. And this is going to be the sitting area where the bistro set is going to go. And then I have two entryway fence panels that are about 2.5 feet wide. So I'm going to have a little entry into the sitting area. So that's going to be lovely. And right here are where the daisies are going to go. This has had full sun all day. The sun is kind of hiding behind some clouds right now, but this has had full sun all day, and this is where they are going to thrive. These guys right here. And then I just created a little nook here for, I have a knockout coral rose. And that's where she's going to go. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. The next video coming up, as far as gardening is concerned, is going to be getting these guys in the ground, the hydrangeas in the ground, the little star Rebecca in the ground, and the anemone bulbs. I have those too, so got to get those in, and the Shasta daisy seeds. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day. Be sweet.